Mommy, I can't go out there, work 12 hours, 15 hours, sit on a table of men, argue my point or whatever, make a business deal, make money, and I come home and you're sitting in the couch watching TV and you say, just because you're the man, you have waited for me the whole day, so I should go and cook for you. Nobody will. I don't know how to explain it. It's like in every relationship, there is somebody is given. We are all given something. You are either given financial help or finance, or you're given physical help, or there is something everybody is given.
Suddenly you make money and you become the man. Or
it's not suddenly I make money, mommy. Making the money is not suddenly. If you have, you know.
You know what?